Anthony Scaramucci of SkyBridge Capital is predicting a $400,000 Bitcoin price action followed by 1 billion active users on the Bitcoin network. So let's break this baby down, shall we? And again, welcome to y'all just joining us in the live chat. If you're getting value out of today's show, make sure to smash that like button as it helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, fam. Now, Scaramucci suggests that a spot Bitcoin ETF may be approved as soon as the first quarter of next year, right before the Bitcoin halving. Let's go. This development can spur a bull market into action, he explains. Here's what the former White House communications director told the Wolf of Wall Street's Scott Melker, quoting him here: "As a Wall Streeter, the products on Wall Street are sold. They are not bought. And so there's going to be tens of thousands, if not 100,000 plus people as these Wall Street firms selling these products to their traditional investors." Preach. So people that are in the Bitcoin, understand the finite supply of Bitcoin, understand the nature and the quality that Bitcoin has. This will push Bitcoin up, of course, and it will have a dramatically positive effect on the altcoin market because it'll lead to more capital into digital properties. He makes a great point. A rising tide rises all ships. Now let's discuss this BlackRock effect. Scaramucci also said the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETFs filed by major asset managers like BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, or Fidelity Investments, the second largest, they control $4.5 trillion, could push the Bitcoin price even further. BlackRock, we know, is the world's largest asset manager company, currently has over 10 trillion in assets under management and has been making significant moves in the crypto space, particularly with regard to BTC. The company has been exploring the feasibility of entering the crypto market and offering Bitcoin-related investment products to its clients. Now, back in July of 2018, BlackRock reportedly formed a task force consisting experts in traditional finance to study the crypto market and blockchain tech. This move signaled the company's interest in venturing into the nascent crypto space, and under the helm of Terry Simpson, a prominent investment manager and multi-asset strategist, the task force aimed to assess the potential of cryptocurrencies and blockchain tech for BlackRock's clients. Now, BlackRock plans to provide digital asset trading services to its investors. This was revealed back in February of 2021. The company intended to launch this service through the Aladdin portfolio management system, which it is widely used by institutional investors. The move would allow BlackRock's clients to trade cryptocurrencies and manage their digital assets more efficiently. And while BlackRock's exact plans and timeline for entering the crypto market may still be evolving, it is clear the company recognizes the growing importance of digital assets and is currently actively exploring ways to incorporate them into its offerings. And as one of the most influential players in the financial industry, BlackRock's entry into the crypto space could have significant implications for the mainstream adoption and acceptance of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Facts. Now let's break down his 400,000 price prediction, in which I transcribed from Scaramucci in an interview. So here's what he had to say. What does Bitcoin look like at a billion users? I'm going to be very simplistic. A billion users is roughly 8x more than we are right now. Bitcoin, I actually think we are undervalued and technically oversold here. So I would have thought the Bitcoin would be where we are in terms of users at $50,000 per coin. So the intrinsic fair value to me would be about $400,000 per Bitcoin. I'd add a billion users because, again, you have fixed supply and you have got less than 21 million coins out there. You and I both know that the mining finishes in the year 2140, but you have also got lost coins in the process of adoption. We probably got 2 to 3 million coins that have been misplaced. They can be in a landfill, they can be in an old BlackBerry or somebody's laptop back from 2010, and as a result of which you probably have about 18 million coins in the universe. There are 48 million millionaires on planet Earth. According to JP Morgan, well, there's only 18 million Bitcoins in existence. You don't even have enough Bitcoin for every millionaire on the planet Earth to own just one. So you can't tell me that the scarcity properties of this is not going to drive the prices higher. So there you have it, fam. Let me know if you agree or disagree with Anthony Scaramucci of SkyBridge Capital that we're likely to see a $400,000 Bitcoin price and that the BlackRock ETF approval could likely be in the first quarter of next year, making the two biggest catalysts taking place in the same year: Bitcoin halving and spot Bitcoin ETF approval. We also got to add to the mix a supply shock. There's currently less than 2 million Bitcoin on the exchanges. And when you got massive demand with a finite limited supply, and keep keep it in mind, once the approval of the BlackRock ETF gets the green light from the SEC, BlackRock is going to have to acquire massive amounts of Bitcoin, because in order to offer a Bitcoin spot ETF product, you have to be holding the underlying asset. And it's not just one major asset manager such as BlackRock. You got Fidelity, you got ARK 21 shares, and so many others. So let me know how bullish you are for Bitcoin in 2024. And do you feel that the spot Bitcoin ETF will likely get approved as well? Potentially first quarter of next year? Let me know your humble opinion in the comments right down below. And if you gain value out of today's show, make sure to smash that like button, as it helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate everyone's support. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe